Step 1 of this is a DIY video of fixing your phone. First you need a bat and you need the broken phone. The battery came off like an Android. This is the aftermath of how to fix your phone. DIY video. You see, this is still good and new. Hold on. I'm trash, you know that. Yeah. Next thing you know, like just the battery just blows up. You missed. Damn. Ray. This is part 3 of how to fix your phone DIY. Yep, as you can see, yeah. You ready? Yeah. How are you missing it so badly? Should probably move out of the way. I don't want any shards of glass hitting me. Ray. Okay, this is what the inside of a phone screen looks like. Yeah, screw iPhone.